All right, today we are at Stoneworks Limited doing a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing. And this is a lot of work today. Just to show you, we will be doing a big cleaning today. This is QualiCare Maids, and this is what we do. Stay tuned. As you can see, we are doing a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing of Stoneworks in Charlotte, North Carolina. And we are going to be giving them a thorough cleaning. This is what we do at QualiCare Maids. We do videos and photos. And you're going to love the work after we're done. Let's give you a walkthrough of this place. And you can see the dust. It's a lot of dust. Okay, we're getting it done today, folks. We are getting it done today. Got Mr. Lee, the old soldier, doing his thing today. Getting his cleaning in. And at QualiCare Maids, this is what we do. The big boy stuff. We are doing a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing today of Stoneworks Limited in Charlotte, North Carolina. And as you can see, we even washed down and cleaned the vending machines, top to bottom, and then we sanitize them. This is a QualiCare Maids COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing, where we clean even the bottom of the chairs. As you can see, we are doing a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing for Stoneworks Limited in Charlotte, North Carolina. Okay, we are finishing up on this room. We are doing a COVID-19 office cleaning and sanitizing. And as you can see, Mr. Lee has got this floor looking simply marvelous. This is the reason that QualiCare Maids is the first company everybody calls for a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing, because we do a thorough cleaning and sanitizing. We don't just come in and spray sanitizer from a machine. We clean first. Then we put sanitizer on all objects, including the backs and fronts of all doors, light switches, tabletops, microwaves, countertops, kitchen cabinets, vending machines, and so forth. Thank you. Stay tuned. As you can see, we sanitize and wash the doors before we sanitize them. Yeah, this room was pretty bad. This is a room that has been completed, and as you can see, it's been cleaned and sanitized. Give you a good view of it. And as you can see, even the bottom of the chairs have been cleaned and sanitized. Even this chair, remember this chair? Okay, as you can see, we'll get the floors mopped back here. Trying to make it look beautiful. Again, this is a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing at Stoneworks Ltd. in Charlotte, North Carolina. And as you can see, we're doing a great job. This is the reason that people call us first for a COVID-19 cleaning service. Because we had the capacity, the know-how, and of course, we have the products. Okay, we're just finishing up on this bathroom, and as you can see, it's simply beautiful. We've done the floors. We've also done this bathroom, and as you can see, it's beautiful as well. Floors, sink, everything is shining. Step back and look at this. Okay, we're finishing up on this room. Let's take another look at this. And as you can see, it's simply beautiful. Okay. Okay, we've just finished up on this room here, and as you can see, everything is looking simply marvelous. This is a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing. Now we're going to do a walkthrough of the building. Let's see what we got on the blinds. Okay, those blinds look pretty good. Now, did you get those?
Yeah.
Okay. We've got those blinds. Okay, this office has been cleaned, and now she's getting ready to vacuum this office. And now we're giving you a walkthrough of what we've completed so far. And so far, so good. Okay, Mr. Lee is finishing up on this office right here. This office has been cleaned and sanitized. And let's take a look inside. Okay, now we're going to walk through here. And check this out. This office has been cleaned and sanitized. Spotless. This room or office has also been cleaned and sanitized. Give you a look at it. And let's back out. Now, this room here has also been cleaned and sanitized. And let's give you a walkthrough along with the file room. And we're on our way to do the showroom. And as you can see, we're vacuuming out these rooms now. Once again at QualiCare, we are doing that big boys work. As you can see, this is the room right here that we're doing right now. And as you can see, we're getting in the cabinets, we're getting in everything. We're just full of mischief today. But that's what we do at QualiCare Maids. We do that big boy work, and this is the reason we are the first cleaning company people call for COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing. This is home, office, warehouse, or apartment cleaning and sanitizing services. Let me back out and give the brother room here. Now we are in the showroom and we're doing the sanitizing, the washing of the desk with the soapy solution, and then we're going to sanitize. And this is a beautiful showroom, ladies and gentlemen. This is Stoneworks Limited, and we're doing a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing today. Okay, we're getting ready to clean and sanitize this shelf. And let's see what we got here. Okay. And this is how you clean and sanitize a dirty door, ladies and gentlemen. This door was super filthy. But you know we're going to get it clean before we leave. That's what we do. We ain't like them other fools. Other cleaning services. Excuse me. It's been a good day today. You know we enjoy cleaning, doing good work. That's what we do at QualiCare Maids. And have fun while we're doing it. Look at Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee look like he having a ball today. You having a ball today, Mr. Lee?
It's the best day. 2020.
Oh my God, he says the best day in 2020. You can't beat that, folks. Stay tuned. Very good work. Okay, we're finishing up and we're running into the last half of this building next. We even sanitize the fire extinguishers, folks. Now that's good work. That's good business. That's QualiCare Maids. We are doing a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing of Stoneworks Limited. And this is a beautiful showroom, isn't it, folks? Let me give you a good look at it. While the young lady cleans behind the countertops. It makes it nice, clean, and sanitized for everybody. From the calculators on.